Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TVK. In today's analysis, we will take a look whether TVK is going to break out this resistance of the down channel or not, and we will also watch this ascending triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this harmonic bullish reversal setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon almost 4 days ago, when TVK formed a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley move. And by the way, before this, I shared another Gardley move that TVK formed. This was the previous Gardley move that I shared on 25th of March, when price line entered the buying zone on the 2-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well and hit the sell target. And if we take a look at the current chart, this is the current trade setup that I shared almost 4 days ago, and this has formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And you can see this is the potential reversals on, and here we also had a very strong support that I shared with my members, because previously it had been working as a resistance here, and as a support here. And recently we were having a bounce from this support. And if I play this chart, then you can see for a while price line moved below than this support, but recovered very soon, and we had a very big pump. This was more than 32% pump since I posted this chart. And now if we take a look at the down channel, this weekly time frame chart, here we have a very big down channel formation, and we can see that price line entered the channel here back in Feb 2021, and so far it is not able to break out the resistance of this channel. Here we had a fake out in November 2021, but after this rally, price line again moved down inside the same channel. And right now you can see that we are very close to the resistance of this down channel. The good thing over here is that we are testing the resistance more than the support. That is another signal that eventually price line can break out the resistance of this down channel. We have one fake out to the downside and one fake out to the upside, and now I'm expecting that soon we can have a confirmed breakout from this down channel. And as you know, that the down channel is in itself considered to be a bullish bias pattern, therefore there is a high probability that soon we will break out the resistance of this down channel. Now if we switch to the smaller time frame, here we are on the daily time frame chart right now, then you can see that this is the resistance of 5 cents that TVK was not able to break out since after 11th of May, when we had this big drop. And you can see we had a rejection here, we had a rejection here, we went very close to this resistance, but could not break out this resistance. We had a long spike to the upside, but again we rejected and moved down. We had another spike, and now this is another attempt to break out this resistance. And yesterday we had the closing above this resistance of 5 cents, and right now you can see we are still moving above this resistance. So if we will have the multiple closings above this resistance of ascending triangle and this key resistance of 5 cents, then I'm expecting that soon we can also expect a breakout from this bigger down channel as well. Now if we take a look at the target for this down channel, then target to the upside can be here approximately at 7.6 cents. And if we again move back to this weekly time frame and take a look at this resistance of this down channel, then you can see that target of this triangle is here at 7.6 cents, and the resistance of this down channel is approximately 7 cents. So there is a very big probability, very high probability, that we are also going to break out this resistance of the down channel as well. And if I show you this RSI oscillator here, then here we have a very positive move by oscillator, because you can see that the price line is forming higher lows here. We have this low here, we have another low that is higher than previous one. But if we take a look at the RSI, then it is forming lower than previous lows. So there is a hidden bullish divergence on this daily time frame chart that is also indicating that now we are going to break out and we can start a price reversal move from here, because we were moved down, and after breaking out this resistance of this triangle, that can be a big bullish reversal move from here. But if we take a look at the target for this bigger down channel that is very high from here, by the way, that is here at the top of the channel, that will be approximately $1.08, and right now you can see that we are moving approximately at 5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.